Here one in this video, I'll show you how you can fix YouTube caption not working on your PC. Now first open up the video that you want to watch and turn on the caption. If this is not turning on, click on this gear icon and go to subtitles and select your language. And after selecting the language, if you still not see this text over here, then what you can do is click on the three dot option you'll see on the top and go to your settings of Chrome browser, then go to privacy and security, click on delete browsing data, and here just select cached image and files, then select all time over here, then click on delete data. After that, restart your Chrome browser, then check if it works or not. Now, if it is not working, the next solution you can try is click on this three dot option, then click on new incognito window and just open up the YouTube video that you want to watch and see if it is working in incognito mode or not. Now, if it is still not working, go to reset settings, you will see here, and click on restore setting to their original default and just click on reset settings. Completely close the Chrome browser, then reopen it again and check if it works or not. And I hope one of these solutions worked for you, and if it did, please like this video and thanks for watching.